So anyone can create a table with the name of department. The problem is, if I fire the command like this, what will happen? So it's like a movie that the actual hero is replaced by someone else in his absence, and they are just using that name. When the hero wants to come back, he's facing issues. Okay? So how to resolve that thing? No problem. If hero can't come back with the original name, we will launch him with some new name. Okay? So we can say rename to some other name. So in this case, we can get the table back and we can say this time launch it with this name. This kind of situation will arise if someone else has already created a table with a name. It was used earlier by DBT. So now we need to recover this table with a different name.
Sir, we didn't make this before drop also, before drop. So why you need to mention that thing?
Because there are different type of flashbacks. Okay. So as of now we are just keeping it to before drop, but there are different stages of flashback.
Can we give priority to some particular table that is created after the all the tables?
No, priorities are not allowed. We can sometimes say guaranteed. We can also guarantee that even after drop, nobody can overwrite it and recycle it. Okay? That guarantee can be mentioned, but again it's a DBA task. It's only specific to DBA that they can say that nobody will be able to overwrite, even though this table exists in recycle bin. Another thing is, how will you know that how many tables are available in recycle bin? Just suppose if you want to get it back, there are a list of tables that you have dropped. It was a blunder that we have made. Many tables dropped. I want to get few tables back. So in order to find out which all tables are there in recycle bin, simply go and say recycle bin. Select star from recycle bin. It will show us the new name, which is like bin dollar and some other characters, and it will show us the old name of that table. It comes under whose ownership, so even the owner name will be available and the date and time when the table is dropped, even that information is